Behold, I stand at the door and knock. Doctrinally, theologically, it is wrong to apply this verse to an unbeliever. But this verse is not talking to an unbeliever. It's talking to me and to you, the church. Behold, he's saying, I wonder, you know why Jesus? Because he's now outside the church. This is not that knock. In the Greek, is pounding the door. Come on, open the door for me. This is not that, hello, please open, I'm coming. With so passionate, he is knocking at the door to tell you that I want to come in. Give me an opportunity to come in, to renew your life, to solve the problem of your lukewarmness. Because I want to set it back on fire. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and dine with him, and he with me. We're going to sit together and have intimacy. When intimacy loses its taste in your life with the Lord, then lukewarmness begins. Lara katugajinya selok bat iit bat utrai Jisu kalasdang duna haga jing im jumpi. Pile looking gege bro. Oh just sang lewan oh poi bet. Oh Bible nga puli bet. Ngalik bet ngale lut. Oh Andre, there's no constant communion with him every day about affairs of life. Then you're on your way to lukewarmness.